Hello, my name is Matt Nolf. I'm with P&G Technologies out of Michigan. We're a supplier of propane parts and propane forklift kits. Today we're going to be showing you a Yale GLC CLP-0280. It's also the 030, the 040, and the 050. Now this has the Mazda UA side draft engine in it, and we carry two style kits. One is the KP, which stands for Kit Partial, which is basically for a forklift that's already on an older system. Now Yale used a lot of all gas back then, so if you want to update that system, it would update you to the IMCO, so it'd give you everything under the hood. The KC is for Kit Complete, which would be for a lift truck that's on gasoline and you need everything to do it. That kit would come with everything but the propane tank itself. So, and these are custom set up with the carburetors and everything, and we'll go ahead and show you what's in that kit. Okay, first off, the most crucial thing to any kit that you purchase is having the correct carburetor. All of our kits, we date back into the 60s. Fortunately, my father, Robert Nolf, with Nolf's Carburation, did a lot of these designs. So this kit will all be done. Your linkage will be set up for you. All your fittings in, your return springs, things that need to be done so you don't have to do any of this. Because obviously when you hook up your linkage, that's your crucial part there. We'll also give you the gasket. The KC kit shows up here. It's got your tank brackets, your locating pin, toggle clamps, all your hardware for that, your fuel pump cover blocks, all your hoses. We leave them long so you can cut them to the size you want. It'll all come with your connections to your tank, your bulkhead, your regulator bracket, your regulator and lock off with all its fittings, your fittings for tying into the water, hose clamps, tie straps. It's a complete setup on this. And like I say, with the partial, you obviously wouldn't be getting any of your bulkhead set up here or the tank brackets, but you'd basically get everything else. And that's pretty much what comes in the kit. Okay, that's everything that will come with that kit for the Yale. Again, this covers the model numbers, the GLC, GLP-020, 030, 040, and the 050. And again, this has the Mazda VA, and it's the side draft, which is kind of an odd setup, but that's what this system is here. I appreciate you watching this video. I hope it helps out. If you're interested in purchasing this kit, you can go to pngtechnologies.com, go to the forklift side of the website, go under the forklift kits, search for Yale, and scroll down till you see your model number. Or we can be reached at 734-992-2648. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.